Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Today I'm participating in the open collaboration Silly Rabbit, Easter is for Jesus, hosted by Melissa from Buckeyed Girls, Reefs and Things, and many other talented creators, including myself. Links to all of our channels will be in the description box below. If you haven't guessed already, for my first DIY, I am creating carrots for Easter. Using white packing paper, I am crafting a carrot shape. I'm securing it with clear tape and then trimming off any excess. Then I'm going to wrap the entire carrot using yarn. I have orange yarn for the carrots, and then I'm making tassels at the top in green yarn for the greenery. So make sure you stick with me till the end because I have 2 other DIYs to show you. The orange ones came out so good, I created a set in white too. Then I wrapped our carrot bundles in jute twine. DIY number 1. For my second DIY, I am sticking with the carrot theme by creating a carrot garland. I am using 3 packs of the Dollar Tree carrots, mini clothespins, and the Dollar Tree rope. I am simply attaching our carrots with the mini clothespins and then making sure I have a secure hold with hot glue. And it's just as easy as that. And it came out beautiful. I knotted then frayed both ends to create cute little tassels on the ends. And there you have it, DIY number 2. DIY number 3, I can hardly call a DIY at all. I had on hand a Dollar Tree cylinder vase and then a larger cylinder vase that was a thrift find. I glued the Dollar Tree vase inside the larger vase and then I filled the space in between the 2 with jelly beans. Simple and easy. You can add fresh or faux florals to the inside cylinder vase for a beautiful centerpiece. And there we have it, 3 quick and easy DIYs, and I hope you enjoyed them all.